All right, so here's a case and it's running. I can hear it. It's a little loud, but I'm okay with it. But the temperatures 77, 41 for the GPU, so really good temperatures. If you guys can see, I downloaded Camp so you guys can see a little bit more of the workload and everything that's happening. Then we're going to bring a Ryzen 5. This is a socket AM5. All right. Now, this one can get boost up to 5.3 hertz. All right. Now, on top of this one, it's going to be give you 6 cores, 12 threads. All right. That's pretty much it. Now, this one does not include the actual fan. You're going to have to include your own fan on that one. So we're going to set this up today on the motherboard, and we're going to run a couple of tests with it and see how it works. All right, if you guys are aware, the pins are no longer on the actual CPU. All right, they're not longer here. If you guys see, they're flat in here, so you don't have to worry about it. What you got to worry is the actual motherboard. All right, make sure that you don't bend any of the pins in there, and that's crucial. So first of all, what I recommend you is, without even opening it, start looking at it where the actual arrow's pointing. All right, and that's when we see it right now on the actual system here. Before you even open it up, and before, don't take this off, let it pop out, and then keep it, because sometimes they recommend you, if you're going to send it back to the actual manufacturer, they recommend you to make sure you have a cover, or you're going to have to replace it, because there's pins in there. In the transit of the actual returning this motherboard for repair, you might bend more pins, and they might even return it with as your warranty. All right, so just to let you guys know about that. We're going to open it up here, and we're going to actually find out where the pin is connected, where we have to set up the actual pin, if you guys can see that. And there's an arrow on the corner here on this side, and that's where it's already done. So before anything, don't do anything. Just make sure that you're aware. So what we're going to do, we're going to open this up first. They also put the arrow on the back and in the front too, so making it easier. Now, what you want to do is drop it without moving it. So, this. So we just dropped it in there. Now we're gonna close it completely, and we're gonna let this thing pop out. Right? That's how you know it's in place. So make sure that this is in place, and then this one. There we go. Completely popped out. You guys can see. So we have it in place. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.